Welcome back to my channel. How to hunt a product in Keepa tools. Keepa is a powerful tool for tracking and analyzing the prices of products on Amazon. It provides a wealth of information on price history, sales rank history, and other data such as reviews, sellers, and fulfillment type. By using Keepa, you can hunt for a product that is currently underpriced and has the potential to be resold for a profit. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to use Keepa to hunt for a product. Go to the Keepa website and sign into your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. Once you are logged in, use the search bar to find the product you are interested in. You can search for products by name, ASIN, Amazon Standard Identification Number, or URL. After finding the product, you will be taken to a page that provides detailed information on the product. This includes the current price, price history, sales rank history, and other data such as reviews, sellers, and fulfillment type. Look at the price history chart to see if the product has had any significant price drops in the past. The chart displays the price of the product over time, so you can see if there have been any fluctuations in price. You can also use the filters option to set a specific date range to check the price history. Look at the sales rank history chart to see if the product is consistently selling well or if it has had any significant spikes or dips. The sales rank history will give you an idea of how popular the product is and whether it has a steady demand or not. Look at the reviews, sellers, and fulfillment type of the product to check the reliability of the product and the seller. The reviews will give you an idea of the quality of the product and whether there are any common issues that customers have experienced. The sellers will give you an idea of who is selling the product and whether they are a reputable seller or not. The fulfillment type will give you an idea of whether the product is fulfilled by Amazon or by a third-party seller. Use all the information gathered to decide if the product is a good opportunity for you to buy or resell. Consider factors stock level is low. This way you can be alerted when the best time to buy or resell the product is. Keep in mind that Keepa is a third-party tool and the data is not real-time. To compare the prices of different sellers, to track the sales rank and price of the products, and to get alerts when the product's price drops or the stock level is low. You can also filter the data by country, category, and seller. Another great feature Keepa offers is the ability to track multiple products at once with the use of bundles. This feature allows you to create a bundle of different products in a single category and track the price and sales rank of all the products in the bundle. This is useful for tracking the price of multiple products in a single category, such as books, electronics, or clothing. Keepa also offers a feature called trending that allows you to see the products.